Now we'll be discussing the various properties and applications of polymers that are commercially in use today. There are a number of polymers that are commercially used today. We'll be discussing one by one. Polypropylene is the first polymer we are going to see. Polypropylene is easily obtained by polymerizing propylene, which is a basic hydrocarbon compound. The properties vary according to the molecular weight method of production, and it has good homopolymer process capability, it has high impact resistance, and it has good stiffness. The drawback is ultraviolet radiation will degrade it, and it is flammable, so it is very dangerous to use polypropylene. It is widely used in automotive applications, household goods, and film making. Polymers find a very wide application in the film roll manufacturing industry, packaging, and electronic applications. Polystyrene is the next polymer. It is clear, amorphous, non-polar commodity. It is a thermoplastic, means it can be easily melted and reused. Its glass transition temperature is about 373 Kelvin, that is 100 degrees Celsius. Below it, it has medium tensile strength, low impact strength. It is extensively used in large volume commodity plastics. Commercial polystyrenes, we have three types: GPPS, HIPS, and EPS, and each has its own property. Polystyrene finds very wide use in food packaging, electronic, medical, and automotive parts. All the polymers are used, applications overlap each other. All the polymers are used in many areas, film rolls also. Medical applications. Polystyrene finds medical applications in pipettes, petri dishes, and medicine containers. Vials and injection syringe material are also made up of polystyrene. The next is polyvinyl chloride, the famous PVC. It is a very rigid thermoplastic. Flexibility can be increased by several plasticizers. PVC has excellent resistance to water and aqueous solution. That is why we use it extensively for piping. It's a thermoplastic. We can melt and reuse. It has flexibility. And the disadvantage is it has limited thermal capacity. It can withstand only a little bit of temperature, and it has high density. That means it will be a bit heavier. Polymers should be lighter, but this is heavier, so it is a drawback. Applications include piping, wire extrusion, toys, bottles, doors, windows, many applications, fabrication coatings. As I have told you, the polymer applications simply overlap each other. Polymethyl methacrylate is a very commercially used polymer. It's amorphous linear polymer, long chain linear polymer. Its density is around 1.18 gram per cc. It has good impact strength, and density varies from 1.17 to 1.20. Density varies with the preparation method and how closely the polymers are packed. It has good impact resistance. On fracture, it forms dull shards, so it is used for glass in automobile windscreens, room fixtures, sinks, acrylic sheets, birth tubes. All the applications we have been using it. Densest uses for dental restoration, dental implants. A wide range of applications are used. It has good degree of compatibility with human tissue. The main important use of polymethyl methacrylate is it's biocompatible, so it can be used for housing of titanium implants. The next is polyethylene terephthalate. Polyethylene terephthalate. It's polyester. We have heard this term polyester in textile industry. It's a free radical polymerized thermoset plastic. It's a thermoset plastic. You cannot reuse it. So these are used in bottles, electrical components, and a wide variety of textile uses. Polyester, we know it's used textile. Polycarbonate, semi-finished products of polycarbonate are manufactured in extrusion process. It's used as a substitution for glass on machinery coverings, canopies, and roofs. Polymers slowly replace the conventional silica glass because of the lightweightness, strength, and fracture toughness. So, polycarbonate is one such polymer. It has low inflammability, it is practically unbreakable. Bulletproof glasses are made from polycarbonate. It does not splinter, it merely cracks. We have seen bulletproof glass. When a bullet impacts on the glass, it merely cracks. It will not crumble or it will not crush, it will not break, it will merely crack. It is used for smartphone covers. All your covers that you purchase for your mobile phones are made from polycarbonate. Polyamide, hexamethylene alpha-diene and polycarbolactam, both have excellent mechanical properties. And another form of polyamide which we are very popular, we heard this word from school itself, nylon. Nylon is a fiber, synthetic fiber, polymer made from polyamide. In automotive industry, nylon is used for wires, cable jacketing, cooling fans, and all those things. Engineering polyamide uses tool housings, tool holders, various tool holders we use in CNC machines and pumps and sockets. And aromatic polyamides are expensive but excellent mechanical properties. Snowboards, jet engine enclosures, brakes, transmission, friction parts, and gaskets. Acrylonic butadiene styrene. The material is a terrapolymer of acrylonite, butadiene, and styrene. It is terpolymer, means combination of three, like a copolymer, which is a combination of two, which we have seen earlier. It is very easy to machine and has a low melting temperature, making it particularly used in injection molding and 3D printing in fused deposition modeling. We have a 3D printer in our college, and many 3D printers use this polymer ABS for as coils for 3D printing the component we want. It is inexpensive. Entire rim costs only 1000 rupees, with which you can print a variety of component. The advantages are good impact resistance, good rigidity, conventional thermoplastic methods, a lightweight plastic. The drawbacks include poor elongation, flexibility, low dielectric strength. It cannot run continuously at an elevated temperature. It's poor temperature resistance, can be used only at room temperature. This is exactly the plastic we use in computer keyboard, power tool housing, automotive hardware cases, and Lego toys. Lego toys are very famous toys ones. They are very unbreakable toys. We use this polymer. Lego company used this polymer to make those toys that are very durable. A toy can come up to 15 to 20 years till the child grows into a man. The toy will be with him. Lego toy is very famous for its lifespan and its unbreakability. So we use ABS for that.